And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this digital voice recorder. Not really a lot to show you around the box. Voice activated recording, PMB repeat, audio playback, T-Mark, digital voice recorder. Let's take it out of this box, take a look at it. They include a little micro USB cable to charge it with, and then that must be the recorder. That's just foam, and a nice little instruction guide telling you all about the item, how everything works, how to start a recording, play it, delete it, etc. So everything you won't find out in my video since it's an unboxing, you can find out in the manual of how to actually use the device. And that's it there. So here is the little digital voice recorder. You can see on the back here, it has a diagram of exactly what everything does, from volume to fast forward, record, save, etc. Your headphone jack's here on the top. They do include a micro SD card, and that's where your micro USB port goes to charge, as well as a nice on-off switch. Welcome. And so basically, you slide this slider to make it record. So slide it up, and now you can see that it's recording, and then you just slide it back down, and now it has saved that audio clip for you. That will essentially do it for this digital voice recorder unboxing. Nice, small, and handheld. Absolutely great to try and record somebody for either a video, interview, etc. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.